Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to track travel expenses using Spendee on iPhone. So make sure that you download Spendee from your App Store or Google Play. You can just go ahead and type Spendee, right? And make sure to download it. Now, I linked my account, so in order to basically track travel expenses, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link or create a travel pocket or travel wallet, excuse me. So I can go ahead and connect to my bank account, right, and select your bank account that you're using, okay, and or add an expense manually. Okay, you can type in your food and drink, bills and fees, entertainment, healthcare, sports, right? And then, of course, set a budget, right? Define a spending limit to avoid overspending, like salary, business, gifts, extra income. Try to divide it so you can know exactly what you're doing, right? So you can type right here, 10K, right? And from wallet out of Spendee, right? To wallet, cash wallet, whatever that might be, okay? And you can start or create a transfer, right? Make sure that you connect to a bank account, okay? And log expenses in real time. Enter each expense by category. Let's say I'm gonna click the plus button, right? And my category is food and drink, right? And how much did I buy food? Let's say for example, I lost 200. Okay, as Spendee automatically converts expenses if you're using different currencies, right? You could select your currency if you're using in your local country different currency. You could just go ahead and select it, right? And from a wallet, cash wallet, right? And did you spend it today or yesterday, whatever that might be, and add labels like coffee, must-haves, excuse me, or whatever that, and if you want, whatever that might be, and add your photos if you want to, right? If you have a photo for that, and now as you can see, I lost at least 200, right? And then view the spending insights. You're gonna be able right here to see the spending overview, right? Spendee automatically shows the graphs and charts to see where your money goes, right? And if you have the option, I think you need to upgrade it, but if you have the option, you can go ahead right here, click more, and add your own wallet, of course, and all that stuff. And if you have the option, you can take a screenshot and share with other people, right? And basically, if splitting costs, share the wallet with friends. I think you can take a screenshot and do that, and you can see right here wallet, right? You can add crypto wallet, new wallet, or e-wallet, and you can see right here the three dots at the bottom right, and you can see right here back wallet and e-wallet, and manual wallets. I think you need to upgrade in order to share with other people so they can basically share wallets with others. Okay, so you can share with other people after upgrading. So basically, this keeps your finance organized and stress-free while traveling. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.